Mira, hand me the phone. She always put me on voicemail. What the? Hi. Yeah. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. Okay. Come on. Can you help me? I just got a couple little boxes I need you to help me fix. That's it. Just a few. Just a few. You know I need some help. I ain't got no money. If I had some money, I mean, come on. You know you got paid. Okay. I'll pay you on the 33rd. The 33rd. Come on right now. Right now. Yes. It's almost dark. I need this done before tonight. Okay. Thank you. Y'all do know me. Once again, this your girl Ashley, L-I-G-H. And if you haven't subscribed to me, please do. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the neighborhood. Okay, you guys, so I finally got somebody to help me real quick. My sister, she is on the way. I did tell little white Lori, like, there was a couple boxes. I mean, when she get here, it's gonna be too late. It's gonna be too late. So, yes, we're gonna get started. It's getting dark, so I really need this stuff done already. Like I told y'all, seen the part 1. So, you know, this is the part 2 of the unboxing. I'm so excited for everything. Get everything going. So y'all can see the whole transformation tonight. It's happening tonight. Ain't gonna be no part 3 because I ain't got time for it. On to the next video, okay? So, if you did not see the whole reaction of my video, check the first one and then come here. But if not, you know, you can watch it and still go back. Because I'm still at the end to show y'all to go back to the other one. Anyway, so yeah, I'm super excited, you guys. Today is Lil Zay. And so once again, we're gonna get it. She's gonna be on her way, and we're gonna get started. Okay, she hear you all. Let's get this show on the road. Hey, this show on the road. But where's that? Oh, now she wanna be petty. Okay. Oh. Hi. Come on. Here we go.
Bruh, what is this? No, you doing entirely too much on this here day.
What you talking about?
You said a few boxes.
This is a few boxes. 1, 2, and 3.
You ain't say that it's this big, my guy.
Okay, but okay. Who else I'm gonna need help? I told you. Who else I'm gonna need? I need help.
Look at these boxes though.
Okay, 2 of us can do it. 2 of us can do it.
Look at it though.
2 of us can do it.
When I take the plastic off.
Okay, look, I've been busy. You know, I'm doing the online school stuff, little school stuff.
Okay. You could have had the little one take the plastic off.
Okay, well, that didn't happen today. That's why I have you guys. So this is my sister Cheyenne. Yeah, she came through for a big sis real quick. So yeah, I had to tell her that because you guys, she don't want to help me with no big stuff, and who gonna help me? So yes, you ready?
No.
See how she is? I would do her. I would. If she asked me, I don't care how big it was, I'll help her.
If y'all saw these boxes, y'all do see these boxes.
She'll be alright. She'll be alright. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into unboxing. She'll be alright because she wants to see what's in these boxes too. So yes, she do. Yes, she do.
No, I don't.
Yes, she do.
No, I don't.
Okay, let's get started. Hey. Okay.
We don't need your looks. You ain't doing nothing. You probably pull the last piece out.
I believe.
You don't want to move the light. Yeah, all
You just getting
Security shine. Shine's my niece and Shine's also a sister to Mama.
I am not your niece.
Yes, you is.
You are my niece.
I mean, I know I'm your niece and you're my niece.
Woo. I'm not your niece.
No, she your auntie and you her niece.
Yeah. And Shine is Mama's sister.
Yes, Fluff girl, we changing it up.
Yep.
Okay, let's
Bring
bring
her
her.
faith in these chairs of yours.
I love
I'm
you.
I have to hold the light so. Oh, that's
that
so
looks
cool.
Playing with me. I might spend the night now. Yo, this is a wide couch.
Okay, so yes, guys, we're coming together. This is the color I chose. I can't wait till it's all set up. Huh?
How pretty am I feeling? What is the rest of this?
It's super cute. Only time will tell. We get it together.
If you actually say
What
that.
time is it? Love Island comes on.
Did you pre-record?
Shine.
Okay, you guys, feel a little bit of fatigue around here. I'm a little tired. There's a lot to do. We do have the couch over here. Now we just gotta rearrange a couple things. We had to move the other couch into the kitchen. There's a lot of Tetris. There's a lot of Tetris going on up in here. But I'm telling you, once we get done, it's gonna be all worth it. So here we go. This is not how it looked in the.
I'm gonna come get that and then we just use that because I don't know what you want to do with this.
And I asked him like, we're gonna see how it looks once it's all set up.
What the? I'm about to play with y'all and this dang couch.
Oh my
What
god!
is this?
Okay, wait a minute now. To do
Let's put
this
this
guy right here and bring it on out. Gosh.
I told you that was supposed to go right
Yeah,
there.
yeah, that go on that end down
No.
there.
This whole couch gotta go here for all of it to come around like a conversation.
Right.
You ain't say that.
Earlier I said this is gonna have to go right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we gotta move stuff back around.
This is not right. I'm thinking you should put the couch right to the blind instead of the mirror. 'Cause
We're getting there, people.
Shut up.
Okay, now let's get information. Sam, Vlogmas. Yeah, cause it's gonna be ready for Vlogmas, you guys. It's gonna be ready. Okay.
you're not even recording.
Hey guys, so this is what the table is looking like. this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with my couch. I consider this, I was saying this in the video, that it's like a conversational couch because it's like, if I sit here, I can be looking directly at this person. And then if I'm sitting here, you know, everybody can look at everybody, you know, and then the chill spot. I had got these pillows made. Like you can get pillows and pick out the color, and this is the color I really want because I kind of want to start playing around with blues and greens and some corals a little bit just to brighten up my living room. So I went on and got that, and these extra pillows. These pillows came together. I chose this style, and then I also went on and got these pillows. So this one and that one over there, they came together, and I got these at Burlington. And then I just seen this little throw blanket at Walmart, and I'm like, oh, that'd be cute. Kind of go with my concept. So this came up, I think it was like $3, $5. One big deal, you know, but just sprucing it up a little bit, you know. And then of course I'm getting ready for the fall season, so I'm trying to decorate my house a little. And I got this at Burlington as well. Similar to like, you know, it was under 20. I want to say it was $16, but under 20. So, you know, just trying to get some little knickknacks to just make it feel more homey. Also, this. By the time I see this video, it will be Monday. So by the time it gets here, the video will be already up. But yes, I am getting end table. It's supposed to look like this. It'll be right here, but I don't have time to wait on the table and fix it all up for you guys. Sorry. This talking about it's gonna be Monday at a certain time later on, and of course I want to give this video to you guys now and go ahead and do it. You know, it's holding us up. So I definitely wanted to show you that it's on the way. It will be here Monday, which will be here today as me posting. So it'll be here, but I just had to put that up there and just show you the video so I can post it and keep it moving. So yes, it will be here today, since today is Monday of the posting. But we gotta move forward. So I'm so glad. I'm super glad how it turned out. I love it. You know, tell me what you think of my furniture and what else, because like I said, it's a mini makeover. I want to rearrange. This is coming down. I'm gonna put something else there. I'm gonna put something on the blind. There's a lot going on that I want to happen. And then of course this, like I said, the rays will be going to my upstairs, and I just want to make everything lighter. I am gonna eventually change up in my dining room area, so you know there's more into store, honey. But you know you gotta, you know, keep on watching. So you guys, this is the furniture, and I appreciate you guys for coming, and you already know the love and support. You guys, thank you for subscribing, and hey, hit the like button if you like this video or you like these type of videos. This is how I know that what y'all like. I'm putting down stuff that I like, but it might not be stuff that you like. So let me know that some people, you know, like this or like that. But hit this like button. This will tell me exactly what you like on my videos or my content. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again.